Guys, we're working on a 2017 F-250 today, getting a 10-inch Stryker lift kit. This is a little bit different than what we usually do. We usually do the rad kit, which is a radius arm drop. Today we're doing their full center cradle option with 4-link conversion and traction bars in the rear. So our first iteration that we're going to be doing is the rear. We've already got the blocks in. Still need to throw the shocks in for it. But after that, we're going to move on to the front, tear everything apart and get our front part of the cradle in, 4-link conversion, the spring shocks, all that good stuff. Then after that, we're going to move along to the very front of the truck and we're going to do our steering, our track bar, our supportive stuff like our drive shafts and our cross members and that kind of stuff. After all that stuff's wrapped up, we'll get over to the alignment rack, get it aligned, test drive it, and get this thing ready to go.
Still plenty of time to come and be served at the refreshment center before showtime.
This truck is also going to be getting some 22 by 12 American Force wheels and 40-inch Toyo tires. So we moved on up to the front. We've got everything taken out, our radius arms off, spring shocks, everything that's on the front axle has been removed. And we went ahead and came back here and we've got our front, rear, and middle cradle all mounted up. We've got a couple bolts in each section of it to get it mocked up, mounted in place. We'll pull this center section out. We'll drill and tap the rest of the holes to hold this thing all up in place, put it back in. Then we'll move to the front. We'll do the 4-link and put the springs and shocks back in it, get everything attached back up. After that, we'll move to our very front and we'll do our steering and our sway bar and all that kind of stuff in the front. We got all the rest of the stuff that we were working on previously done. We got our 4-link in, we got our springs and shocks in, all the spacers, everything. We've now moved up to the front. We just installed our drag link and currently doing our HD track bar. Once we get that hooked up, we're gonna put the rear wheels on it, put our braces in, traction bars, and get it over to the alignment rack.
We hope you're enjoying your visit here this evening. Now, on with the show.
All right, we got this thing wrapped up right in time for Thanksgiving for him. Going back over everything we've done. Started out with a full cradle, long arm, Stryker 10-inch 4-link lift kit. Paired that up with reservoir Fox shocks all the way around it. Then hitting the road, we got 22/12 American Force wheels with some 40, 15, 50, 22-inch Toyo Open Country RT tires.